In today's video, we are going to talk about the flashing E21 error code on a candy dryer and more importantly, how you can fix it. If your candy dryer is showing the E21 error and the light keeps flashing, don't worry, there are few things you can try before calling a technician. Let's get started. The E21 error on a candy dryer is usually related to airflow or overheating issues. In most cases, it's caused by a blockage or restricted airflow inside the machine. The first thing you should do is check for any blockage. Take a look at the condenser unit and air vents and make sure they are clean. Remove any lint, dust, or debris you find. After cleaning the dryer, try running it again to see if the error clears. In many cases, this step alone fixes the problem. If cleaning doesn't fix the issue, you can try a manual reset. But keep in mind, this part is a bit more technical. First, unplug the dryer from the power outlet for safety. Now move to the back of the dryer. You will see a panel secured with several screws. Go ahead and unscrew all of them and carefully remove the back panel. Inside, look for a small wire or set of wires on the right hand side. You should see a small reset button. Press that button firmly once. After pressing the reset button, put the back panel on and screw everything back in place. Now go to the front of the dryer, turn the dial to a different program or mode, then press the start or play button to begin the cycle. This reset often clears the E21 error and gets the dryer working again. If the error still doesn't go away, the issue may be more serious, such as faulty sensor or internal component. If you are not comfortable opening the dryer or handling internal parts, the safest option is to contact a qualified technician and have it checked professionally. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.